What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. In today's video we are taking a super quick look at two of the latest phones from Vivo. Now if you're looking for the absolute best phone, you don't want to compromise on anything, well look no further because now we have the VIVO X300 Ultra. This is Ultra for pretty much everything. Performance, screen, cameras, everything about this phone is just insane. Now, the one thing that's also insane is the price. So this is definitely not a cheap phone by any means. Not to mention it is a fairly big phone. But if you want that performance, if you want the amazing cameras, you're probably gonna put up with that anyways. Now, if you want a somewhat smaller phone that still gets great cameras and really good performance, we also have a phone that looks a bit like a Google Pixel, I'm gonna say. This is the VIVO X300 FE. So this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. So this one has the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This one has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. But realistically, the performance is great for both devices. So whether you have this one or this one, the phone will not feel slow by any means. Now my X300 Ultra here also came with this insane photographer kit, and I'll be totally honest with you, that is the main reason why I'm actually making this video, because I found this kit so super cool. The presentation box was something out of a movie as well. I've actually done a quick unboxing and there will be a link in the video description if you want to see like the unboxing that I've done. So when you open this box here, it almost looks like you got yourself a camera, not exactly a phone. So we have this case. This basically acts as an adapter for whatever lenses you're gonna use. We do get a couple of lenses in here as well, but there are other lenses that you can purchase as well. You also add this to that case, and then it kind of looks like you actually have a camera, not a phone. And we have a bunch of other stuff in here. Okay, so next I want to take you outside and take a couple of pictures with this lens here, just so you have an idea what this can do. But before we do that, let me actually show you how you put this together. So we get this case here. You basically put the phone into this case, just like that. Then we get this adapter here. So this kind of goes like this, just like that, nice and easy. This is our button right here, so then it kind of becomes more of a camera. So you kind of slide this in like this. So then you have something like this. Then you will remove the back end of the lens here. And it should go in here. And you kind of hear the click when that's on, and you remove the cover from the lens, and then your phone kind of looks like this. So it doesn't look like a phone anymore, it looks more like a camera. So let me take my phone and a tripod, will go outside. I want to show you a couple of pictures that I'm gonna take of some houses that are so far out there that you can barely see them with your eyes. So let's go out there. Alright, so we are outside. It is a bit windy. I'm not sure how well this recording will turn out. Let's try. So first, let me put my finger into... we're gonna try taking a picture of those houses out there. You see them right there? So now I have the phone here. Let's find those houses. So we'll take a picture that's 400 millimeters. So we took a picture. Let me put that on the screen for you. We'll zoom in even more. Let's take another picture. So that was 800 millimeters. I'll put that on the screen for you. We can zoom in even more. Look at that. Oh, I can see that car there. It's crazy. So let's take a picture like that. And I'll put that on the screen. So let's zoom in even more. Wow, that is insanity. So let's take a picture like that as well. Trying to hold it steady. So I'll put that on the screen as well. So you can take some insanely far away pictures. It's, well, nothing that I've ever tried before. So a very, very unique setup for this phone right here. Oh, another thing I wanted to try was some videos. So we are doing 4K at 30 frames per second. I'm just gonna try to keep this as steady as possible. Let's actually zoom in a bit more. That is crazy. You can even see that bird flying there. Look at that. Wow. So we'll zoom in even more. And I'm actually gonna have this recording on the screen for you, just so you can see it in better quality, not filmed like this, but very, very cool. So let me play that for you. 4K at 30 frames per second. I'm just gonna try to keep this as steady as possible. Let's actually zoom in a bit more. That is crazy. You can even see that bird flying there. Look at that. Wow. So we'll zoom in even more. Okay, I think I have to show you another example. So you see those houses all the way up there? Okay, so we can't really see them because they're too far. So let me actually zoom in a bit. We'll take a picture and we'll zoom in even more. I'll actually put that on the screen for you. Check this out. No way. And I'll put this one on the screen for you as well. So it's just insane. So you've seen those zoom pictures that we took outside. You'd actually need a proper camera with a proper lens to actually be able to take those pictures. And of course, those are just houses, but you could take pictures of like nature's animals and so on with this sort of kit. And as I mentioned earlier, you can purchase other lenses as well. So a super, super cool and unique photographer kit with this X300 Ultra. So I think if you are into pictures, into videos, this is definitely the phone to get. So the coolness factor for the X300 Ultra here is just insane. When I compare this one to this one, well, you know what I mean. Now, the X300 Ultra here, of course, is not just for pictures, and not to mention, we haven't actually touched on anything that this phone can actually do with these cameras on the back here. We just use the zoom lens. But for example, you can play games, you can edit videos on this phone, you can do anything that your heart can ever imagine. So this phone is not just about cameras, it's the overall package. It's basically the best of the best. If you're just looking for the best of the best, well, look no further because this phone is exactly that. But if you need a smaller, cuter phone, the FE here is nice and cute. It takes some decent pictures as well. Now, the main reason why I made this video was so I can show you the photographer kit here. So I think we'll stop the video here. I will leave some links in the video's description so you can get more information about the photographer kit if I do find anything. But I am super, super impressed about this whole thing with the X300 Ultra here. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.